This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lacie Groeninger. Great find in Greene County. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on over 6 acres in the Richland Subdivision and has a separate in-law suite offering another bedroom and full bath, full kitchen, laundry room, and living room on the property. Spacious bedrooms, large living area, and covered porches on the front and back of the house add to its charm. This home has been lovingly maintained, lot is very private, and has a bountiful garden and fruit trees that can be found all along the property. Lake Oconee Academy District. For more information, review the details below or contact Lacie Groeninger at 706-252-8020 office.